What's going on, boys and girls? Hope you've just enjoyed the drone footage of it and its return of Hill House. Why am I back? Last time it was -5, -6. It was freezing, so I didn't have a proper good look around. The house felt pretty damn negative, so I wanted to go back and see if it felt negative this time around. But I've missed this. Don't ask me how, because it's off the beaten track. What's that? Little Mini Countryman van, that sort of thing. How awesome is that? Not a lot left of it. It is literally falling apart. That's amazing. I love it. I love old cars and stuff. Bench seat. Wow. Steering wheel clocks are gone. How nice is that? Little door here. Engine's gone. Some of you might remember it. Some of you might not. But as I walk through here, you're going to be transported back a couple of months and you're going to see the little yellow clubman Weber carbs, even though the engine's gone, and there she is. So I thought last time it had been dragged. I'm guessing owners, whoever look after this property, either that, someone tried to steal it, don't think so, but they've dragged it down here simply to block the entranceway, because the main drive is still open, so you can still drive into it. So that's what I'm thinking. Look at that though. I love it. So funny being back here when it's not all frozen. See, that's changed since last time. Shows how many people are back for you. Awesome. So I was going to ask as well, guys, slipper into the video when we're walking up, what sort of explores do you want me to do? Because I love the houses, the car graveyards, the odd asylum, etc. So many of you have put in requests, if you like. This hill kills me every time, that want to see me do this, do me do that. So let me know what you want to see. I'll get out, I'll find it. There goes door. Bike tank is gone. New petrol can. Rest of the Mini. This looks a lot more cleared out than last time. Here she is. There's the old ears.
Have you been down there? It's a huge hole.
A huge what? Hole. No, I haven't. There's the Cortina, which I got pretty obsessed over last time. Watch the old video to find out why. It was all a bit stuck last time, wasn't it? It's not the case this time. Love it. So many stings everywhere. Auto-tune. Awesome. I love it. Big hole apparently, the girls just said. Oh yeah. It's interesting. With a stone structure as well. Seatbelt holders. If you look at Google Maps of this place, they're like 10 years ago or something, and it is covered with cars around here. Unbelievable. Should have been something else in there, wouldn't there, the way that's all dead. I think that's a bit more broken than last time as well. Jesus. Literally getting worse as it goes. Toilet, bathroom, utility room, mould. I love the way the scaffolding poles are just holding the roof up. Amazing. Obviously someone's built that at some point to stop people coming in. Bolted from the outside. Keep whoever's in then. Right, 2 seconds, let's get a torch out.
anything underneath this house? Is there like a basement or anything?
I don't know, interesting to find out though, isn't it?
Is there like a board there but it's like going down there?
Either that or the floor is gone straight through.
Do you want to go first?
Yeah, I'll bypass you. One room, the trashed room. Oh, see?
Yeah. This one just went straight through the floor.
Ooh, I love exploring. I looked at that last time as well, didn't I? Need to know. Yeah, non-existent floors. That's what I forgot about this place. It's going to be a jumpy, I do apologise. Now, to me, last time, I absolutely hated this room. I still don't like it. It's just got such a negative vibe. I don't even think it's to do with the fact, you know, chance of seeing rough sleepers, etc. I just don't like it. Really don't like it. You know, even just bloody graffiti, it don't really bother me too much, you know, anyone can paint it. Personal information guide. Yeah. So it's just a dark vibe about it, 2 seconds, guys. Let's get up there. Big windows though, I'll give you that. Straight down. Jesus. Obviously they've gone for the copper, gone for the pipes. God, it's not PG. Bugs everywhere. Ugh. Final room. It's this one. It seems a bit more trash for what I can remember. As if it could get any worse. But there we go. I had to return. Something I had to do. I had to check it back out to see if it was just that one-off feeling, but still feels pretty negative and horrible in here. I'm not even bullshitting that. Come and check it out for yourself. So let's wrap it up there. Bunch more locations to do. New stuff. 1 or 2 revisits. A couple of drone stuff as well I'm going to do today. So that's going to be dropped in over the course of the next couple of months because I'm on a big backlog anyway. And yeah, peace and love as always. Boss out.